Hello dear friends, how are you? I hope you are well and good. This video can improve your general knowledge, so don't skip the video. If you skip you will lost amazing facts, so let's start the facts. Fact number 25. This reality star earned a whopping 38 lakhs by selling out 97 jars of her farts. Fact number 24. Hazem Amla pays 50% of his match fees is fine for not wearing the logo of an alcohol company in his jersey. Fact number 23. Only 5 Olympic athletes ever have won more than 8 gold medals. 4 of them hold 9 gold medals. Michael Phelps holds 23. Fact number 22. In first Spider-Man movie, 2002, Peter Parker genuinely caught the tray with all of the food on it. It took him 156 attempts to get it perfectly. That's amazing. Fact number 21. The resident of Cluj-Napoca, a city in western Romania, can get a free bus ride by doing 20 squats. Fact number 20. Life is so unfair. Sometimes rats cut and shredded 2 lakh rupees hard-earned cash of an ailing vegetable vendor in Hyderabad. He had kept his money in Almira and was saving it for his abdominal surgery. Fact number 19. Your nose is always visible to you. Your mind ignores it through a process called unconscious selective attention. Fact number 18. The owner of this horse died in a road accident. When this horse came close to the casket, it smelled his owner and became emotional. It lay its head on the coffin, cried and sighed as if it were mourning. It's not just humans who feel pain, animals do too. Fact number 17. He made a pact with his best friend that whoever dies first, the other had to wear a dress to the funeral. Fact number 16. Tanzanite stone. These appear in one place in the world, Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania. They are 1,000 times more rare than diamonds. Fact number 15. It has been found male who have many female friends are more confident and have good social skills. Fact number 14. Anima, a wooden sculpture by Daniel Popper in Las Vegas. Beautiful. Fact number 13. Men who kiss their wives before leaving for work live an average of 5 years longer than men who don't. Fact number 12. A 15-year-old injected himself with mercury at least 3 times in an attempt to turn his bones into metal after seeing X-Men Origins. Wolverine. Another 15-year-old made 10,000 with 100 Indian rupees investment. He downloaded CoinDCX, used coupon code NU100, got 100 in his wallet, and by using 100, he got 200 in his Paytm. Now he did the same with his family and friends' phone. Which one are you? Choose wisely. Fact number 11. This is the giant dragon temple in Thailand. Inside the dragon there is a large winding staircase which visitors can use to climb to the top of the building. Fact number 10. China modified the weather to create clear skies for political celebration. Fact number 9. Titanic was the first film to have 2 people nominated for an Oscar for portraying the same character. Fact number 8. Scientists think chickens are the closest living relative of the Tyrannosaurus rex. Fact number 7. Rudolf Diesel, who invented the diesel engine, committed suicide in 1913 because he didn't think his invention would be successful. Fact number 6. Artist used art breeder to try and colorize the bust of the Roman Emperor Caracalla. Fact number 5. A good dice manufacturer puts another dice in your dice, so when your dice dies you have a new dice. Fact number 4. USB condom is a simple device that blocks data transfer when connected to a smartphone or tablet and just allows electricity to pass through it for charging the battery. Fact number 3. Back and shoulder pimples can be treated well with saltwater baths once a week or light washing with apple cider vinegar and water in 1:2 ratio. Fact number 2. Simply rotate each wheel to find a hole at the bottom. Then whatever the number you see, here 2, 5, 6, just rotate the wheel by 3 digits. So, if the number under which you see the hole is 2, 5, 6, then the code is 9, 2, 3. If you ever forget your 3/4 digit code of your suitcase, then this trick will really help you a lot at that time. Fact number 1, don't forget to double tap this post. Guys, save this post for future learning, and if you want more content like this, let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Which fact is knowledgeable for you? Write down in comment. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget bell icon for more latest video. Goodbye for the next video.